An education trust is a powerful tool to earmark funds specifically for educational purposes. You can set rules for how the money is used, such as covering tuition, books, or housing. Leverage 529 plans. If you've already established 529 savings plans for your children or grandchildren, you can integrate them into your estate plan. These tax advantaged accounts are an excellent way to grow funds for education while reducing your estate's taxable value. Use lifetime gifting. Consider gifting funds during your lifetime to help with educational expenses. You can take advantage of annual gift tax exclusions to contribute to 529 plans or other accounts without incurring taxes. Name beneficiaries. Strategically designate beneficiaries for your financial accounts or life insurance policies with education in mind. This allows funds to go directly to those who will need them for academic pursuits. Work with an advisor. Collaborating with an estate planning attorney ensures your strategy is legally sound and tailored to your family's unique needs. If you're ready to create an estate plan that supports educational goals for your loved ones, contact us at Happy Estate Planning. We're here to help you make a lasting impact. For more estate planning advice, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.